Building a fence without proper wind load footing depth is a recipe for disaster, especially when you want it to last through storms and heavy winds. So here's the deal, when you're setting up fence posts, you gotta think about how deep those footings go. Like, local codes usually say at least 2 feet deep for 6 to 8 foot fences, especially if they're solid and don't let wind pass through. If your fence is super heavy, like with thick cedar boards or double layers, you might need even deeper footings and stronger posts, maybe even steel pipes. Always consider soil conditions because sandy or loose soil won't hold as well as compact clay or gravel. Make sure your concrete footings are wide enough and properly shaped. Belled footings that widen at the bottom hold better against wind pressure. And remember, the posts themselves need to be anchored at least 18 inches into those footings to avoid wobbling. You want your fence to resist wind loads of at least 15 pounds per square foot for normal areas, but if you're in a windy zone, plan for more. Finally, don't skip consulting an engineer if your fence design is heavy or unusual. It's worth the peace of mind. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fence construction is setting footings too shallow, which causes posts to lean or snap in strong winds. Fix it by digging deeper and following local codes. Another common problem is ignoring soil type. Loose or wet soil can weaken footings fast. Solve this by improving drainage or adding gravel under the concrete. Lastly, many skip using reinforced posts or thicker materials when the fence is heavy or solid, leading to premature failure. So always match post strength and footing depth to your fence's weight and wind exposure. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors a breeze for homeowners by connecting them with pros who actually know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors get real work from people ready to upgrade their homes without the hassle.